My name is Mike Lynch, and I'm on the advisory committee for the Sports Turf and Landscape Management Program at Tulsa Career Tech Center. The advisory committee is made up of 25 different industry professionals. We range in backgrounds from landscape management and installation, irrigation, garden center, golf course. We have a couple of teachers on the program as well. And the major goal of the program is to talk about the curriculum of the class. We meet twice a year and we discuss the curriculum to see if that's in line with what students need to be successful when they get into the job market. But really, that is just where it begins. The main goal of our committee is to talk about what the classroom's doing, how we can help them out. Can we supply materials for different gardens that they're building, or come in and help the students construct things? We've done design classes, sales classes. We've talked to the students about running equipment. We've helped them prepare for tests and competitions, and they've done quite well in those competitions. Another thing that we talk a lot about in the class is recruiting and enrollment in the class. Last year before last, we found out that 6 students were coming into the classroom, and that was alarming. There were more people on the committee than there were in the classroom, and that's not good. We got together, we threw around a lot of ideas as to how can we make this better. So one of the things we did was we had a group of students, prospective students from the feeder schools, go down to our landscape trade show in Columbus. 17 students boarded that bus, and when they got down there, we met them. We would talk to them about the industry, and these are all green industry professionals talking to these students. We split them into smaller groups. We took them around the trade show, and we showed them what the green industry has to offer. Out of those 17 students, 16 of them signed up for the program. That's significant. Another thing we did that worked real well is open houses. We attended open houses so we could not only talk to the students, but we could talk to the parents. And that's key, because the parents are looking at sending their students to a school that, they might not know a whole lot about, and into a career that maybe they know even less about. We can help by answering questions and help put some of their fears at ease. The teacher is talking about the program, but these are people that are in the industry that are doing this on a regular basis. So, we think that's pretty significant. Last year, we also had an opportunity to meet with the guidance counselors for the feeder schools, and for 20 minutes, 5 of us talked about the green industry, and we thought that would be very important, and it turned out to be very important because, the guidance counselors are either selling the program or they're not. They're giving it to the students and guiding them that way, or they're not. And I think what we talked about was an eye-opener. We're a professional industry, and that's what we wanted to pass on to the guidance counselors. We're very passionate about this. That's one of the reasons I'm on the committee. I'm passionate about the green industry, and I see these students as being the future of our industry. We're trying to build future leaders, and that's the goal, and that's the reward that I get and my colleagues get. We're trying to build a quality student to come into the classroom. My name is Mike Lynch, and I'm a 1982 graduate of the Central Ohio JVS.